Hey guys, so as you know, we've been doing this Power to the People kind of series, and we asked you guys to give us as many questions as you wanted, stuff you needed answered, and we got some good questions, but we also got one really stupid question.
Now, there are no stupid questions, Josh.
This one was really stupid.
Okay, well then, why don't we read it to the people?
Let's read it.
If I traveled to the moon on Monday, then went to Saturn on Saturday, what day will it be when I get to the sun? Okay, so as we all know, the distance from the Earth to the moon is 384,400 kilometers, okay?
Everyone knows that.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Now let's say you left tonight at midnight and
Yeah.
you are aiming to get to the moon for Monday, because we got to get there on Monday, at noon.
Oh, yeah, say
Meet
lunchtime.
your buddies for lunch.
Yeah, so to get there by noon on Monday, you would have to be traveling 6,400 kilometers per hour, which is 64 times how fast you can drive on Ontario highways.
Ridiculous. Okay, now here's the thing. The fastest anybody's got to the moon is about 3 days.
Yeah,
Probes have made it there in 8 hours, but that's like rocket nuclear speed.
nuclear speed.
Okay, so let's hang out at the moon for 12 hours, and let's leave at midnight on Monday, and we're off to Saturn for Saturday, right? So that's 4.5 days away. The distance from the moon to Saturn is about 1.216 billion kilometers.
Billion kilometers.
Billion
That's a lot of kilometers.
Which means you have to be traveling at 11,259,260 kilometers an hour.
That's pretty
Your
fast.
skin gets ripped off at that speed.
Your face would literally rip off.
Yeah, you'd look
Yeah.
really freakish.
Yeah, but kind of cool at the same time.
Your blood might curdle.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you drink lots of milk.
Yep. Anyways, so where are we going next, Jeremy?
From Saturn, we want to get to the sun. And we're trying to figure out what day we're going to get there.
Mm-hmm.
And due to our calculations, we're still trying to put it all together.
We know that the distance from Saturn to the Sun is 1.4256 billion kilometers.
For your information though, as soon as you left the Earth's ozone, you would start to burn up.
You would literally have a sunburn that put you to death. But Jeremy, what if I had the greatest spacesuit ever invented?
Well, Josh, one day you might. And on that day, you would still only make it to Mercury.
Great.
Before the sun would completely destroy you.
Not even halfway there,
The
huh?
sun's a giant.
The Sun is a giant.
It's mean.
It is a mean giant.
Mean giant.
I think it's green.
It's okay.
All right.
Now, seeing as you're stupid and you wanted to know what day you'd make it to the sun, and we really don't know because it would be impossible to measure because nobody could ever make it to the sun. It's super hot.
And that's why it's the dumbest question we've ever heard.
But we decided to try anyways.